Leaving your car in direct sunlight for any amount of time and then hopping into the front seat can feel as though you're roasting yourself like the brisket you planned for in that summer barbecue. Fortunately, the rumors are true. Sun visors do make a difference. Sun visors lower the overall interior temperature of your vehicle. They block and reflect sun so you can avoid burning your fingers on the heat of the seat buckles. They also protect your electronics. Grab a visor to prolong the life of your car stereo or various touchscreens. While baking cookies on your dash may make for a good afternoon snack, dashboards and seats can fade over time from continual sunlight exposure or even crack and warp. If a sunshade isn't your style, you can also invest in a window tint. While not as effective, window tint does work to block the sun. Try to find a parking spot under some shade if possible. And if you're positive it isn't going to rain, crack your windows a little to add some ventilation. Add a dashboard cover to protect the plastic or a light-colored steering wheel cover to save your hands from the heat.